Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking you all the way back to Africa with this spicy roasted goat meat tomato stew. Guys, this one is to die for. It is amazing. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you'll need to do would be to cook your goat meat. So I love goat meat because it has such intense and deep flavors. So I'm gonna be seasoning with some onions, some habanero pepper for some spicy kick, some salt, and bouillon cubes. Okay, so any kind of bouillon cube that you have would be perfect for this. Guys, as you can see, I'm keeping the seasoning for the meat really simple because I want the actual goat meat flavor to shine through. Okay, so the goat meat is the star of this dish, so you don't want to mask out that delicious flavor with excess seasoning. Okay, so keep it simple. And I also did not add water to my meat because I don't cook my meat with water, so that way the flavor stays intact and is not diluted. So the rest of my ingredients would be some red bell peppers, onions, habanero peppers, some garlic, and I will be using tomato sauce today. But if you have fresh tomatoes, go ahead and use your fresh tomatoes. So once my meat is cooked, I'm going to be placing it on a wire rack, and I am going to place it in an oven and roast it for about 20 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have an actual grill, you might want to use your grill because the flavor will be better, but I don't have a grill, so I'm using what I have. So now I'm using some vegetable oil to saute some onions for about a minute or two, and in goes the rest of my ingredients, which I blended up. So that's my bell pepper, my habanero pepper, my onions, and my garlic that I blended. I've poured it into the oil, and I'm gonna be frying this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so keep stirring it as you fry it, and you know it's perfectly fried when it begins to look like this. As you can see, the oil is no longer cloudy and the quantity has really reduced a little bit, so and it's really fragrant. So that's when you know it's fried, when it gets really fragrant and you taste it and you don't get that raw bell pepper flavor. That's when you know it's good. So now I'm seasoning with some thyme, some curry, and my seasoning cubes. I'm also gonna add some salt at some point in the cooking process. So once I get my seasoning cube in there, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my tomato sauce. Guys, like I said, I'm using tomato sauce today because it cuts down my cook time by a lot. But if you're using fresh tomatoes, just add an extra 10 to 15 minutes of cook time, okay? Because you're gonna have to cook out the acidity of the tomatoes. But the tomato sauce that I'm using is already cooked, so it makes life easier for me. So yeah, so there goes my salt. So I'm gonna give this a really quick stir, cover it, and let it cook for another 10 minutes. And I have to cook it on medium heat, guys, and keep stirring it because you don't want it to get burnt. So after about 10 minutes of simmering, I'm gonna go ahead and add my roasted goat meat into this tomato stew. Guys, like I said, if you have an actual grill, you might want to grill the meat because the smoky flavor of grilled meats would work perfectly for this dish. But I used my oven and it came out really good. So once my meat is in there, I'm gonna cover this pan and let it go for another 10 minutes, just so the sauce has time to soak up all that beautiful goat meat flavor. And something I forgot to show you guys, I'm sorry, but I lost the clip where I added some of the meat stock back into the stew. So go ahead and add some of your goat meat stock into your stew because that is gonna add some extra goaty flavor to your dish. So that's it, guys. That's all she wrote. My little taste of Africa. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, now would be the perfect time to do it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and be sure to leave comments in the comment section down below, and like this video and share this video with your friends and your family. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video.